Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to create the other animation scripts for the other weapons. Now we're not going to do the machine gun because, as I said, we're going to do this a little bit differently, but we can create it for the rifle and shotgun. So let's begin by creating a new C# script, and I'll just call this our anim. We'll open that one up for editing, and we'll come to the P animation script. Now obviously we can copy and paste the code from this script, and it just requires some minor changes. So we'll begin by copying in the variables. We'll copy everything in the void start. And finally we'll copy and paste in the last two functions. So I'll do this below the void update, and we'll just go through and change what needs to be changing. So P shoot animation will become R shoot, and R reload. These two variables don't need changing. Let's copy and paste these new variable names here, and we'll do so in the comment as well. And here, and again here. So let's have a look. Oh, that one does need changing, sorry. So private, and we want rifle. We'll change that to rifle. We'll change the comment. And we'll copy and paste it in there. And here as well. We'll change to rifle there. Change it here, so player rifle script. Let's have a look. We need to change that to rifle. In the comments, let's have a look. We need to change that to rifle. And that variable as well. So let's change this. Rifle reload. We'll change that first, and then we'll change the comment there. So let's have a look. We'll copy our shoot animation, and we'll just go through and change it in both those instances. And we need to change the comments as well. And we'll also do the same for the reload animations. And finally change the comments, so we can save that one off. We'll wait for it to recompile. And finally we'll do the shotgun animation script. And again, we'll just open that file editing and we'll copy and paste the code. So obviously you can copy and paste the code from either script. And we've just got to go through again. We'll change the variables. And let's go through and change everything. So this needs to be changed to the shotgun script and the comment. And we'll just go through that needs to be changed to the shotgun script. So that's changed. I actually don't like a lot of these naming conventions I used quickly. I think I will go back through and change some of those. But let's just finish it off what we are doing. So again, just going through changing all the instances from rifle to shotgun. Let's have a look. Oh, it's because I've missed changing that shotgun there. So this needs to be shotgun shoot. Oh. Let's just go back through. It's not that naming convention, it's the naming convention from the other script. And we'll just go through and change those to a shoot. So we'll change that to shotgun And then we need to copy and paste the S reload animation. And we'll change it there. I'll just come back to the rifle for now. We need to change the naming conventions of these voids, so let's come here. Obviously we're just changing pistol to rifle in this one. And then we'll do the same in the shotgun script. And we'll save that off. We'll leave it here for this lesson. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.